Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, then welcome. I had to create this glam, glowy vibe look, you know. I am just feeling it, like I'm literally feeling myself. I love how the look turned out. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then carry on watching and I hope to see my next one. I'm going to be doing my eyebrows and I'm going to be using this NYX micro brow pencil, and this is in the shade Espresso. I love it because it comes with two sides. It comes with this spoolie end, and then it comes with the pencil on this end, and it's a really thin pencil, so it's really precise and I'm able to just fill in my brows really nicely. So I like to take the spoolie end first and just comb through my brows. I haven't had my brows threaded in like 2 weeks. Well, 2 or 3 weeks. Yeah, so they're kind of a mess. But I find that I actually do my brows after my foundation, I can just make it work because they don't look half as bad as they did before I had foundation and my base on and stuff. So we can definitely make it work. I'm just going to go in with my pencil and just fill in any gaps. So yeah, I really like this pencil because I find that it's just so precise, and you guys know already, I really like my brows to be as natural as possible. So I find that with this, I'm able to really create a nice 3D effect because it's such a thin brow, it's such a thin brush. I'm able to just do small hair strokes and achieve my perfect brow. I'm just going to clean up under the brow with some concealer. And I like to mainly focus my concealer just on my brow bone because I find that's the area that I really want the most definition. And then I'll drag the rest of the product just to the beginning. And then I just like to go in and blend the concealer. That's the brows done. Next up, I'm going to use my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define. Use this as my eyeshadow base. I'm just going to apply some directly onto my lid. And I'm going to blend this out. So this is just going to act as a base. It's going to make my eyeshadows more vibrant. And I'm also going to set it just so that it locks in the oils, and my eyeshadow will last longer as well. I'm going in with my RCMA translucent powder just to lock in the concealer and just to set it. For my icing, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Reloaded palettes. Guys, these palettes are life. The colors are so pigmented and they are dupes, I believe. This one is a dupe for the Urban Decay Heat palette, and this is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. So guys, I'm a bit confused. I feel like, should we do a pink kind of look, or should we do a bronzy warm kind of look? I feel like I always do bronzy looks, so maybe today we're gonna go in with this palette and do like a more reddish, pinkish, glam vibe. Yeah, so we're gonna go with this palette because I will literally do bronzy golds all day, every day if I could, so we're not doing that today. We're gonna start off with this color right here. I'm just gonna be applying this in my crease. So this is going to be my transition color today. It's kind of close to my skin tone, so I really like the color. Next up, I'm going to be taking this pink shade right here. I'm going to go in with another layer of that color just to build up the pigment. This brush is really nice as well. This is the NYX blending brush. I really like this brush. It's really soft and it blends and diffuses the color really nicely. Next up, I'm going to be taking this deeper color. And next up, I'm going to be taking this, which color? This color right here from the other palette. So this is the Iconic Fever palette. And I'm just going to be using this shade. Next up, from the Iconic Vitality palette, I'm going to be going in with this shade right here. On the lid, I'm going to be going in with this gold shade right here. I'm going to go back in with this color right here, and I'm just going to use this to define the crease a bit more. Next up, I'm taking my Sigma gel liner, and this is in black. It's a really nice dark black color and it dries matte. I'm going to be applying it with my Sigma liner brush, and this is really nice and precise. Next up, I'm going to apply some of that gel liner in my waterline as well. I feel like I want to add some colour on the bottom lash line just to link in with the top. So I'm going to go in and take some of this colour and this colour mix, and I'm just going to smudge that on along my bottom lash line. I'm just going to go in with some mascara and coat my top and bottom lashes before I go in with my false lashes. I hadn't added the lashes on. I feel like this has just completed the look. I've forgotten the name of the lashes, but I'm definitely going to link it down below. Next up, I'm going to be going in and adding some glow to this look. You know, what's the look without glow, right? I'm going to be applying it with this Body Shop pointed highlighter brush. I really like it because it's really precise, and I feel like it just applies the highlighter on really nicely. Ooh. Come through highlight. I'm also going to go in and apply some on my brow bone. We're almost done, and the main thing missing is the lipstick. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to be using the Sigma liquid lipstick. Depending on how I feel, I might mix in another shade. We'll see. So this is the Sigma Foxglove lipstick. I do like it. It's a very bold pink, but it's not too pink as well. It has a really nice blue undertone, which looks really nice with my skin tone. I just feel like with this look, it's overpowering it. So what I'm going to do is I feel like I'm going to mix another shade with it. So let's find a color that's going to go nice with this. So I'm going to mix it with this mauvey pink shade from Barry M, and it's in the shade Bespoke. This is me every day, guys. Like, I literally just live to mix shades. I feel like makeup has no rules, and you can mix and match anything you want and make it tailored to you. So let's see what this color concoction is gonna make today. Okay, so this is the color that I've come up with. I actually like this color better. I feel like it's more subtle and it's still allowing my my eyeshadow to really stand out, and it's still really complementing the look well. It would have worked well as well with other pink, but you know me guys, I'm not really like one for bold colors. I mean, I do like them when I just feel like really going out there, but for this look, I feel like this mauvey pinky nude is just really complementing it really nicely. Going in with the vitamin E hydrating mist. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys loved watching the tutorial, and I hope you like the finished result. I really like it. I feel like the eye look and the lip together definitely complement each other. So I hope you guys are going to be able to follow this tutorial and recreate your looks whenever you're going out, or you're just trying to feel glam, or it's your birthday, or it's Valentine's. I feel like this is that look that can just go with different occasions, and you can definitely switch up certain things. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, then please give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button so you can see more videos from me in the future, and I definitely hope to see you in my next one. Bye guys.